After we left Conroe, we drove straight south. We came down here to near Mission, Texas, because we are going across the border into Mexico. Allison came up, or down here actually, a few months ago, and now it's my turn to go in and get some dental work done. We're not going to be concentrating on that today because we've already done a video on that though. Today, we're just going to take you around the border town of Nuevo Progreso here in Mexico.
Y'all come on.
Hello and welcome back. If it's your first time here, I'm Scott.
And I'm Allison.
And we are
Jarhead and Ginger's Journey.
We're full-time RVers. We do destination videos, tips and tricks, and all things RV. That sounds like something you'd like. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and come along on our journeys.
As you're getting close to the border, there are parking lots on either side. They charge $2 for a vehicle to park for the whole day.
We're getting ready to go across the international bridge now into Mexico. It costs $1 to get in. I was just looking over here at the bridge coming in on the road. It has a clearance limit of 14 foot 8 inches. So if you are coming through here with your RV, you should be able to fit through, because most RVs have to be at or less than 13 foot 6 inches. We have seen a few semis come through also, so you know that's a good sign. If they can fit, normally we can too. And then back here, you'll see this is the last stop for bathrooms on the US side. So hit the bathroom if you need to before you go, but I'm sure there's plenty of restrooms on the other side as well. Let's go check it out. Come on.
The border. You can see this side is the US side, the other side of the line is Mexico. Here we go. Here's the Rio Grande behind me.
Well, we just made it through to the Mexico side. It was super easy. We went through a little shack and there were a couple of guys in there. They just waved us through. There was no metal detectors or anything like that, but I did leave my pocket knife and things at home today just in case. As soon as you come through, there's a bunch of people wanting to take you to the dentist or the pharmacy so far. And now we're getting into where it looks like there are more vendors with supplies, things that they're trying to sell you. So we're going to continue on and show you some more of Nuevo Progreso. Let's go check it out. I just got done with my dental exam and cleaning over at Dr. X across the street, maybe up a block. Now we stopped for lunch, or it's about 3 o'clock, so this is more like dinner, I guess we'll call it. So I got the Arturo's special. We're at the restaurant Arturo's, and it comes with a couple of tacos, a couple of tamales, and a enchilada. It looks really good. I also have a michelada that is very good. I've had some of that already. And the pico and the hot sauce here are very, very good on the chips they give you.
I forgot to ask for my taco without lettuce and tomatoes, but I'm just going to pick it off and can't wait to try it. I had seen pictures of this little place before, these colorful buildings, and they're all dentists. I think it's called Dental Plaza, but I hadn't been able to film it or to find it, even though I've been down there 3 previous times. Well, it turns out it's right here by the exit. So if you're entering, it's on the left, and there's all kinds of dentists in this area, and some are highly recommended as well. This is my second time getting a pedicure down here in Mexico. The first time I paid $12, this time it was $15, and I didn't have shoes, so I bought little sandals, flip-flops to go with it, and they were $4. So bring your own flip-flops if you're going to get a pedicure in Mexico. They also had a bar so that you could get something refreshing to drink while you're getting your nails done. This is a very popular spot with the winter Texans. It's called Panchos Bar. It's on the right after you're coming into the border, and there's also a market inside. They have great food, cold drinks, and live music. The winter Texans like to get out on the dance floor and do some line dancing or shake their booties. All right, it's been a great day in Mexico. We're getting ready to head out, and the price has increased. It used to be 25 cents to cross back over. Now it is 30 cents. So I've got my quarter and nickel ready to go. If you don't have exact change, there's somebody here to make change for you. You just stick your money into the little coin slot and go across the border.
I thought this was interesting. On our way out of Mexico, we just came through the U.S. side, and they have this Texas Alcohol Beverage Commission here with a big sign saying if you bring back any alcohol, how much extra you have to pay, tax-wise. So that was pretty interesting. I don't think I remember seeing that before, not even when I've crossed over into Mexico. So that's kind of cool. Let's take a look at the sign. There's a lot of talk about safety concerns when visiting Mexico, especially the border towns. I did my research before coming down here in January, and I talked to lots of people, and as long as you go during the daytime, go with a buddy if you can, or just stay close to other people. When I came down in January, I came down alone, so I just walked next to other Americans and pretended like I was with them. And another thing, do not go at night. Around 4 o'clock, people start really clearing out, and I wouldn't feel safe staying much longer than that. And stay on the main roads. Don't venture off too far. Yeah, I would say it's pretty safe. I don't know about anything after 4 because we didn't stay down there like she was saying. She gets a little sketched out about it, so we went ahead and left around 3:30ish or so. But I never got any kind of a weird vibe like somebody was trying to steal my wallet or anything like that even. So I'd say overall it's pretty safe down here, without a doubt. We've seen, you know, retirees, well, like ourselves, but older folks than us down here, no problems whatsoever. Well, thanks for hanging out with us today, guys. If you liked this video, check out these other 2 that are coming up on the screen now. We think you'd like either of these next. And if you're still here, thanks for sticking around to the end. We'll see you next time on Jarhead and Ginger's Journey. Bye. Adios.